Hi, this is Carmine Appice. I'm really excited to tell you about my new show, The Rod Experience. This show captures the 1979-1978 version of the Rod Stewart shows.
Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I really should be back at school. I know I keep you amused, but I feel I'm being used. Oh, Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore.
Really excited to tell you about the Rod Experience. We're going to have a good time, so come on down. We'll see you at the show. Keep rocking.